Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix plugging in USB crashes Windows PC. First method is edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click change advanced power settings. Click and expand PCI Express, click and expand link state power management, select off, click apply, click OK. Second method is edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click choose what the power buttons do, click change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck turn on fast startup, click save changes. Third method is right click start button, click device manager. Right click USB hub, click properties, click power management tab. Uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Fourth method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click change advanced power settings, click and expand USB settings, click and expand USB selective suspend settings, select disabled, click apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.